me!
Why are you taking pictures of me?
I'm not taking pictures.
I don't like
This is a fucking video.
Okay, you ready?
Okay, go.
Video?
Just fucking go.
Ready?
Yes.
Ready?
Yeah, go.
Well, still.
I am holding still. Go. Fucking go. I don't even care.
God, just go.
Go.
You missed.
No, you didn't. That was good
I
enough.
didn't know it wasn't.
Punch Alyssa.
No.
Don't
Here,
punch
give me the
Alyssa.
camera.
Alyssa doesn't need to be punched.
Go. Just
Not a
fucking.
guy.
No, just fucking
Not
go.
a guy.
Doesn't
No,
matter.
Unnecessary contact.
No, go. Just punch
I
her in
don't
the
want to punch Alyssa.
punch her in the boob or something.
No, my boobs are very
Ready?
special to me.
What the hell are you doing?
Randy, why'd you hurt me?
I hurt her because she took a shot at me and slipped to my hand, and she says I hurt her. This is crap. Now that they're gonna start making out. Look at this. So fucking violent. I'll throw the camera.
Give me my goddamn
I'll throw
camera.
the camera in the-
Ah!
Get the